Just changed your GMC key fob battery and now it's not working? Don't panic. Often, the fob loses synchronization with your vehicle's security system or the battery contacts are corroded. We'll cover how to fix this quickly. First, try cleaning the battery terminals inside the fob with isopropyl alcohol, 90% plus, and a cotton swab. Corrosion is a common issue, especially in humid climates, and can prevent proper electrical flow. Reassemble the fob and test. If that doesn't work, you'll need to relearn the key fob. The key fob relearn procedure reprograms the fob's unique code into your GMC's computer. Start by getting inside your GMC with all doors closed. Insert the key into the ignition and rapidly turn it from the off to the on position without starting the engine 10 times within 10 seconds. For models with push-button start, press the start button rapidly instead. The vehicle should enter a programming mode. You may hear a chime. If this manual method doesn't work, you might need an OBD2 scanner to initiate the relearn mode. These scanners are readily available and relatively inexpensive. If problems persist after relearning and contact cleaning, consider using a genuine GMC replacement battery to avoid counterfeit issues. And if all else fails, consult a professional mechanic to rule out ECU faults.